15. With which statement would the author of the passage most likely agree? So again, this is an author's viewpoint, or most likely agree, which means it's going to be consistent with the main idea of the passage. The main idea of the passage is that it's likely ravens can plan ahead for the future. So let's take a look. A. Scientists are unlikely to be able to conduct an experiment that can genuinely distinguish between instinctual and learned behaviors. No, unlikely to be able to, which is saying impossible. That's too extreme. A is not correct. B. Scientists should continue researching to find more evidence to support the idea that some animals show signs of advanced intelligence. Well, yeah, I guess that's a possibility. I'm not sure if they have a call to action per se in the text to do this, but it's probably a valid conclusion. If the research shows ravens probably plan ahead, then we might want to find more evidence for animals in general to show signs of advanced intelligence. B is a real possibility. Let's keep going. C. Scientists should be careful about making conclusions about animal intelligence based on experiments that rely on training animals. Okay, there is a mention in there about a specific detail. This is part of the instinctual versus the planning ahead, and you want to be worried that you're not just training the animals. This is not the main idea. This is not something the author would most likely agree with. Most likely agree is going to be consistent with the main idea of the passage. C is not going to be our answer. D. Scientists can confirm data on whether animals have the ability to plan by performing experiments on additional species known for their intelligence. So again, we keep using the word intelligence like we did in C. The idea, it's not so much intelligence, although actually it looks like every answer, including B, uses the word intelligence. It's really about planning ahead. So scientists can confirm data on whether animals have the ability. Well, how do we know that, right? There is the question on whether the data is valid or not, or whether it just reflects instinctual behavior. Can they? Yes, it's possible. It's hypothetically potential, but that really isn't relevant to the ideas in the text. So this is not part of the main idea of the passage. B is the correct answer for 15. It shows that scientists have some evidence that ravens in particular seem to plan ahead. With more research, they might find more evidence to support that animals in general show some signs of intelligence. B is the correct answer for 15.